Hello everyone, welcome again in Eng-Man YouTube channel. So we will continue our LNG process modeling using GAP software. And now we reach the point where we will import the VLP file into each of our well. Okay. And again, in this exercise, we already have the prepared Prosper file as well as the VLP files. So it has been prepared. They have been prepared already. Okay. This was done to save time for our gap exercise, because it will take too long time for us to learn if we include the making of the VLP in each of our Prosper file. Okay, so we have the files prepared already for us to use. Okay, so let's talk about importing the VLP. Click on OK here. Here, we need to click on this VLP file. Okay, so now as you can see here, VLP file name still blank. We need to connect it with the already prepared VLP file. Okay, so I'm going to click on Browse. And by the way, still empty. So I'm going to find it and show it to you. Okay, so before you press on this browse, you actually need to click on this button. So if you click on browse, still it's empty because what we want to find is .vlp, but actually you produce from Prosper file .tpd. So I'm going to click on this import button rather than browse button. Here, I already have my 4 tpd files for the respective wells. Okay, so it's very easy. It's going to be very easy. You just need to click on this button and click on open and do that for all the 4 wells. Okay, so I'm going to click on open button. Okay, so I already connect my the gap with the .tpd file. And as you can see here, we have the VLP information, condensate producer. We have for the sensitivity variables, gas rate, water gas ratio, gas oil ratio, or gas condensate ratio, manifold pressure. And for the calculated variables, we have flowing bottom hole pressure, flowing wellhead temperature, surface correlation, Bex and Brill, whereas for the vertical correlation, we have petroleum experts too. And by the way, we can tick on this allow left button or allow left hand side intersection for optimizer. And as you can see here, the VLP is no longer red, it is now green. And from here, you can click on plot button, all right, to review the VLP. All right, so this is the VLP file or the VLP. Okay, and then we can click on OK. And you can see the red circle disappears. Okay, it's now very, very, very good. Okay, and now let's do the same thing with the 4 or with the 3 other wells. Okay, so click on well 2. All right, this is the VLP for well 2. So let's do that for the rest of the 2 wells. All right. Okay, so now I already connect my 4 wells with the respective TPD or VLP files. Okay, so I do not need to generate well VLP in this case because I already have the VLP file prepared in my directory. Okay, so as you can see here, the red or the bold red, red circle disappears. It's very, very good now, but we're still not finished. Okay, we have still so many things to do in the upcoming videos. So I think we can close it here. And of course, it's very good time to save or to save as if you want. In the next video, we are going to define the LNG plan. Okay, until then, see you and thank you.